Hey everybody, this is Cynthia Maynard. I'm popping on really quickly today to show you this folio that's available in the shop. This is a trifold version that I've done. So let me go ahead. I'm doing this one-handed because I'm in the middle of appointments with my kids. All right. So it opens. It's got this rose gold. This is from a Die Cuts with a View. I can show you that up close, really pretty. And of course you could always add something on that if you wanted to. So it opens up like this and then opens up like that. So it's a trifold version. So once you open it, you can put pictures and journaling here if you want to add that. I've got this pocket is from Studio Light. I have some fun little tags in there, like a little cutting board. And let's see, I can't put these back in one-handed. Here's another little tag that I have no fingernails. It's gummy pin or something like that. It's a European company, but they make really cute stuff. So that's out of Good Craft Card. And then another little tag made out of the leftover bits of paper. And some bigger tags here. They are double-sided. Alright, so fun things you could do with those, embellish those and whatnot. And of course you could utilize this for something else if you wanted to. Pretty marbling paper there. So then we go ahead and we open this up again. So the inner flap here as a side pocket, I used, it was an embellishment I had already made for some Maggie Home stuff, so I decided to pop it in here. It's got this fun little gold swan, and it's on some Maggie Holmes paper popped up on foam on this scallop circle. So that is stationary. And then in the side pocket, I have a couple things here. I have a file folder with another one of those gummy pen. I don't know. I don't know. I'm saying that. GUMMIPAN, I think. That goes on there. So you could put photos, journaling, add that. Some nice stitching design there, layered. Good sturdy card. And then the other one is a craft card. This is a graphic 45 die. And then you could do lots of things with that. So that is popped in the center bit there. And then let's go on over to the third. Because each of these spine spots are a ½ inch, this is 5 by 7 by the way, it allows for this pocket. So let me show you the side width there. So it's just about just maybe a ½ inch, something like that, maybe a little over. And then that fits nicely when you close it. So let me show you that. Like that. So you've got lots of room to fill this with goodies and things. Right, so I've got a pocket here. This is my own artwork here that I painted and turned to digital paper. So I have that fun pocket there. That is a die from Studio Light. And it has those nice layering pieces that come with it. This is also a die from Studio Light, and some more of my artwork. Some one-stroke painting with my moth and some of my trees. This is based on a serviceberry tree I have in my yard. And then you could do all sorts of fun stuff with that die cut. So, and of course you can gift this to a friend, you can transform it yourself and then gift it to a friend, or use it as a lap book, sort of journaly memory book idea there. So hopefully you enjoyed that. It comes with this nice ribbon. If you could hit like and subscribe, that would be helpful. And check out on my other playlists and videos that I have for you. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day.